involve the audience. And part of my show is that I have some instruments, like this one instrument my friend made for me, and we bring it out almost like it's an offering to the audience, and then the audience is able to push buttons and turn knobs, and as they do it, and it has a lot of switches and knobs and buttons and things, and every time you touch the subtlest movement, you can hear it through the PA change. And then if I do this, it goes that way. Oh wow. And everybody's who's doing it is hearing the differences, and then they feel like they're a part of the show. And I like to say that I'm a lazy performer because then I make them do the work. But the real thing is it integrates the people into the show. And I've had a lot of people come up to me after the show and say, like I said before, that they felt that a lot of the other performers can be a little bit arrogant or not inclusive, and that they feel that they now sort of have a better understanding of this kind of music, and that they're going to maybe look into getting an instrument or try something at home, even if they're not going to perform, just for fun, because they enjoyed that. And I think that's a nice special thing, because when I was younger and people would encourage me to try something new, that opened up doors for me. And those doors, became gateways to where I am now. And I think that that's a wonderful gift to give to somebody. And it's fun to have the people be involved in it and really enjoy it.